Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to deposit money in MEXC Exchange. For that, first of all, you need to launch your MEXC app and then log in into your account. If you don't have an account on MEXC, I will put the link of it down in the description where you can get up to 8,000 USDT as sign-up bonus. Now, in order to deposit money in your MEXC account, you have two options. You can use any other exchanges to receive the money in your MEXC account. If you tap on the deposit option on the home page, you will see the on-chain deposit, in which, as I said earlier, you can use any other platforms to deposit crypto in your MEXC exchange. Then we have the I don't have crypto section where you will see P2P and buy crypto. So with the help of these two methods, you can directly purchase crypto from your MEXC exchange. So you need to select which method do you want to use. If you want to deposit with the help of the first method, I have created detailed and dedicated videos on this topic as well, so you can check that out. But let me just brief it for you. If you select the on-chain deposit option, you need to select that crypto which you want to transfer or which you want to get from any other exchange. After selecting it, you will have to select the network, and then it will give you a QR code and the deposit address which you need to paste and provide in that particular exchange or wallet from where you want to send that crypto, and you need to fill out those details there. This way you will get your money deposited in your account. Or the second method that you can use is directly purchasing crypto. It is quite convenient. You will have to select the buy crypto option and enter the amount of crypto that you want to buy. Select your debit or credit card option and simply conclude your payment. So this way you can buy or deposit money in your MEXC exchange. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.